In Teams, you can save and easily view important messages. Saving a message will make sure that you can quickly access it and view it in the future. You can save other users' messages as well as your own. Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to bookmark or save messages in Microsoft Teams. To save a message, simply move to that message and hover over it, and look for the More options, the 3 ellipses, and then choose Save this message. There's a lot of conversation in this particular channel, and so there might be other messages I'd like to save as well. So I'll move to this one talking about a legal review. Once again, More options, pick Save this message. Once the message is saved, notice the bookmark icon that appears in red and a message will pop up indicating the message was saved. Now it's helpful to know that the author of the messages doesn't know that you saved the messages. These are just being bookmarked for your reference. To view your saved messages, move to your profile in the upper right corner and click on the tab for Saved. This will bring you to your Saved Messages page. And if you no longer need to save that message, move to that red bookmark and simply pick Unsave this message. Another way to see saved messages regardless of where you are in Teams is to move up to the command box and type /saved. And once again, we get a list of those saved messages. Now this list is in chronological order and it can't be rearranged, but it can be a great way to focus on those key messages or conversations. And once again, we can unsave this message and we can continue to save other key messages that we're working with. Here, I'll save this. Now, if for any reason I change my mind, go back to More options and unsave. And that's how simple it is to save messages in Microsoft Teams so you can focus on those key conversations. In this K-Squared Tech Tip, you've seen how to easily save important messages in Teams. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.